Okay, hello guys, hello everyone. Uh, First, Lama today it's not she's not gonna be with us. They have like an event, so we will start to do the session. Okay, the Financial Eagles session. So let's start first with the US30. I'll go weekly time frame. Okay, here after all this bullish push, look at this big push, small retracement, big push, retracement, big push, retracement. Like here normal push, then retraced, even if you took it from this area or stop loss here, it kept pushing all the way up. So the last two weekly candles, they are not like those weekly candles, if you can see. That's not a big volume for the bearish move. That's a big bearish move. So in this area, all this area, we was taking sells from the up on the lower time frame. Second, there we go. Okay, look at this. That's your first sell. That's your second sell. Here it pushed down. Okay, you can take a sell over here after this big wick down, sorry, big wick up, and you continue with the sell. That's a big target, guys. Okay, and then this retraced. This one opened, look, started to be like bearish. Then this one opened, it was like big body, big like bearish momentum. So you're working, if you can see, like breaking the last higher lows. Okay, then double top. Then look how many like good things you can take it, and especially it was going like too much bullish. Okay, 1 second. Let me admit. Okay, as we was saying that this one started to break this area. That was the first sell, and then you go with it as a double top. Then you go with it. Look, this big push, then a retracement, then breaking. You take it again over here. It like it pushed down. Then this candle was a retracement. Then this candle opened like made a wick. Okay, here it made a wick up. It respected this area and then pushing down. Then you can take another cell, the second cell over here. This the first, the second, and then it pushed. That's I will say from this target. That's 500 pips, guys. This area over here. Okay. So for now, I'm expecting to make a lower high. Okay. But we have two scenarios that I want to be looking at. Here we reached a strong area. Okay. With a bullish push. And then that was like a retracement. So if we have like a daily candle opened, wick down, and then pushing up, it's gonna be a great buy opportunity. Okay, but with a retest, like I always say. Okay, you wait. Wait, let me pull it. 4 hours. Look at the 4 hours. Bullish push, small retracement, bullish retrace. Those candles are retracements. Okay, it pushed down always when it's like you saw it push this push. Okay, if this candle opened and breaking it, you don't take it. If you catch the first trade over here and you closed it, and then the second you opened, like you saw it pushing up, I will take it from this area. No, don't enter like this. Always wait, even if it did the target, let it do. So you take it on the safe side. Okay, look at this big push. This candle, I'm gonna put that's 250 pips, one candle. Okay, here it retraced, then started to push up. It reversed again, then it hit this area. So I'm gonna be waiting. The sell, I'm not gonna put now a fixed sell. Okay, and I need it at least under this, but I'm gonna see how it's gonna be taking it. Okay, because we will see tomorrow. The Dow move fast, so tomorrow we will see what it's gonna be doing. If we saw it like a push up, it hit this area to do like a double top and then going down again with like closing of a reversal candles. Okay, you catch it from here. Okay, so now that's why I'm saying about this sell. I'm not gonna put it right now. Tomorrow I will put it, but the buy is like, as I told you, pushing up, retraced, and then if it opened, pushing up, breaking this one, this candle, it's gonna be great. Wait a retest, not like go lower time frame, see at least like a retest, red candle, anything, and then you take it. Okay, go to like time frame lower. If daily, take 4 hour, 1 hour. If 4 hour, take 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, but don't go less for a trade for confirmation. And you can start in the 15 minutes on the Dow, yes, the Dow do it. So, but other pairs don't go like lower. I don't love to go lower. Gold you can a bit, but GJ not too much. Okay, so that's it for me now for the Dow. And that's I'm talking about. Look at this. Okay, that's a sniper area. Here, if you can see, that's the 0.74. Okay, so we will see how it's going to be moving for the sell, honestly. So if we saw a reversal over here, yes, I'm going to take a sell to continue to push down. High, lower highs, lower highs. Okay, so that's it for the Dow. We go now for gold. Okay. The gold, you saw this big push. And after it was like, look at the weekly. And that's pushing up like beautiful. Okay. That's the daily. Always big push. It will retrace. Big push. It's retracing. So let's see if it started to reverse from this area. It's a good buy opportunity, but I was expecting it like to go a bit more lower. So let's see how it's gonna be. But on the daily time frame, breaking like a new candle, open this candle, it's still respecting this one. But we will see how it's gonna be tomorrow because if this body closed here on the resistance on like higher, not necessarily like even on the level, on its level, okay, it's better than this rejection because it might continue the bearish one. Okay, so the sell, that's not the fixed sell. Okay, I will wait for it to see how it's gonna be moving over here. Okay, so tomorrow, if the daily candle, let's see this body where it's gonna close. The daily candle opened with down and breaking this area with a retest. Always, I love the retest, guys, because it's the safest to take. Then, like, if it's price action, it's better to be like with a retest, not like fast execution. Because if you see most of the time, it push like TP1, TP2, put stop loss entry, and then push like all the way. Okay. So that's it for the gold now. As for the sell, I'm gonna wait. I told you I'm not gonna put any sell right now. I'm gonna see tomorrow how it's gonna be open. Okay. Here, that's stagnation area, like on the 1 hour look sideways. Let's see. And it's kind of like a rectangle, but let's see the break. Okay. So that sell, it can be like an intraday, but not pushing one way like this one, not one way like this, and there's no volume to take it. Okay, pushing down, you wait the retracement. It started to retrace, then you continue to push up. Look, if you took it from here, your stop loss over here or over here, it even reversed and start to hit it. Like give it space. Look at this area. Don't take it here if you was taking it as a double top. Okay, that's the neckline, right? If you start taking it from this area, that's you're risking because look at this over here. So always put it like on this area. This area was shown on you. Okay, so put it on this area, all this area. And look, it hit it and then it traced. So let's see how it's going to be now. Now moving sideways. So let's wait for it and see. Okay, we go for GJ. GJ, it even it took the order and before we start, GJ is moving beautiful. Look at this, guys. It pushed all the way. Let's say it pushed first one. You didn't take it from here. That's a great area. I always talk about it. It hit it like multiple times, a lot of times. So it reversed, then retraced, then look at this reversal, then retrace. Look how many times you can take it. That's on the 1 hour. And if you didn't catch it from the first one, not and from here, that's a second entry. It hit, it goes up. You see the Fibonacci. Look, exactly. It hit the 0.5 Fibonacci. It pushed up. It hit it with this candle close as a reversal candle. And then this candle opened with down, pushing up. You can execute it from the beginning. And look all this push. If you took it over here, that's your 20, 26, 28, like to 30, put it 30 for sure, not on 30 pip stop loss. Look at this all move, 180. It's slower than the S30. And I feel it's not. I feel it. It is. I'm used to the S30. So now that was expected after even it hit this area again. That's a very strong area. All this, it like pushed up, then pushed down, retraced, and then pushing up. It was great, honestly. So let's see. This buy, I'm gonna stick to it for now, but for sure not when it goes down. And I'm not gonna put the buy now, the numbers for you. So I need a retracement before even thinking about any buy, even over here to take it. No, I don't. So I need a retracement, and then if it retraces on this area, look, it like pushed down, retrace, and then reversing, you can continue the bullish trend. They, even on the daily, like this break is amazing. If let's see this daily candle how it's gonna close. So the daily candle it's gonna open, make a wick down that you go poof 1 hour. You see like it's retracing down, making a wick down, and then pushing up, breaking again. Yeah, that's way more better to take. Okay. As for the sell, it's far even. I'm gonna leave it over here. And if it pushed down, I keep not like one way, retrace, and then pushing down. That's what I'm gonna think about the sell. Okay. So remember, guys, what I tell you always: the retest is the most important. Like it's you can see it like so good this break. So it break like now, not long ago. So we will wait. I need a retracement for it. It might, but I need to see where it's gonna close even. Okay, tomorrow I will send this one, this buy. Okay, we go for GU. GU, that's a daily, the weekly. Look at this trend. Still heading it. So that's a critical area over here. I'm gonna be how I'm gonna enter my trade. I'm gonna wait this candle, how it's gonna close. Okay. If we saw, we might see like a small push up, push up. So breaking this one for sure, not to take it one way. always waited for it to break this area. I put it higher because we have here even a strong area. Okay. So this one, I'm gonna be taking it as into consideration, this area. Okay. And always, I'm gonna put this buy, but see how it's gonna be breaking, and don't take it blindly. Okay. Wait for it to see how it's gonna break this area, to retest on it, to see like a good confirmation that it broke the last look low high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and we will see how it's gonna continue. On the bigger time frame, we reached a strong trend line and pushed all the way down. That was an amazing, even to take it as like you leave it for days because that's a GU, you know, that's like 400 pips, 420 pips. Okay, so we will see how it's gonna do. It might continue now pushing up, okay, to do like a new lower high, and then pushing down. It's gonna be a great sell. That's why I'm gonna be skeptic about this area, because if I saw the reversal on this area, you know, it goes up over here, okay, and then I saw like moving again, reversing. I see something that shows me that there's a candle reversing over here. You can take it as a sell to continue with the trend. Okay, that's how you look at the market. For the sell, I'm gonna even wait to see this candle close, how it's gonna be, because if we had like this, I'm gonna be away, because if you saw it moving sideways, it's always wait for a break. Okay, so that's, I'm gonna take it after this, like if it opened maybe with up and then pushing down as a reversal, I'm gonna take it over here. Please continue with the trend. You see this area, guys? And that's, I don't trade here. I prefer always to break all this consolidation. Okay, so we go for the euro. Euro on the daily time frame, we are pushing down. So breaking this area, yeah. But the problem that the euro is so slow. I'm not used to play like slow like this. Yeah, the euro, you need to take it as a position. So I will see how this is gonna be breaking. If we saw like an open, making a wick down and then pushing up, it's gonna be like taking it as an intraday. Because here, if you can see, that's the last lower highs, and then pushed up, boom, goes down, retraced on this area. So breaking it again, this area, it's gonna start to do like, for me, like a higher high. Okay, so we will see how it's gonna be breaking. Euro, I prefer always to put the orders far a little bit on it to see it, because it's super slow. Like you see, there was news, yeah, that's a move of news for sure. So let's see how it's gonna be the break. Here you see it, big bullish candle, big body, and then retrace. Here, small body, small red body, again big body. So we will see how it's gonna break it. Okay, you just sell. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna wait. If we saw any reversal from this area, yes, we take it. If it start to reverse from this area, breaking again this, the last lower low, to make a new lower lows to continue with the trend. Okay, that's kind of flag. So let's see how it's gonna be breaking, how it's gonna be doing for you. Okay, guys. Anyone have any question, anything? I'm ready to answer.